Yesterday I was working on that carrier furnace, and I wanted to kind of go over the inducer motor that I purchased for it to replace that the inducer motor. I called Carrier to get one, and they were like, for the assembly for the motor and the wheel and the blade, it was a total of like $430, you know, which I expected that, you know, from somebody like Carrier or Train, you know. So I wanted to kind of go over what I did this time. I actually, since I have an account at Carrier, I can look up that part number, and so I was curious, and I was like, well, let me see if I can find that motor, you know, somewhere else, you know. And then I saw Granger had it, so since I saw Granger had it, I called them up, and then their representative answered, and then I gave her every single part number, and they had everything, you know, in stock. And Carrier was like a week out, but Granger had everything in stock. And then so, as opposed to paying like $430 for the inducer motor, you know, probably not even being able to mark it up, but $10 or something, I was able to get everything at Granger for like $250. It was like $240 something, but I mean, that saved like $200 right there. So I put that inducer in yesterday. I mean, everything, all of the parts were the same, you know, OEM parts. So that's probably what I'll be doing, you know, just to save some money. So yeah, just a little tip, you know, if you want to go to Granger and pick some stuff up.
Later.
Like I walk on this Carrier furnace, opened up. Somebody must have been trying to work on this thing. It's got a 13 flash code, 1 slow, 3 fast, 1, 2, 3, which is limit circuit lockout. So we'll see what's tripped. It's locked out right now because it failed to bring on the induced draft motor. So if you can hear this thing's humming, look, sucker's locked up. So that's what it is. It didn't go through its first step, you know. It didn't start the induced draft motor, so it didn't go to the next step. So change that sucker out, should be good to go.
I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Yeah, it's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter.
All right, so this is a Carrier, and it's already calling for heat. I changed the inducer already. So usually if it's calling for heat and you unplug it and you plug it back in and it still has a call for heat, Carrier will it'll do a little run cycle for the fan to get rid of any heat that might be there. So here in a minute it'll give us a a heat attempt. All right, so we got a heat attempt. Inducer fan motor's running. So we should get some heat this time. Here's our hot surface igniter. Next, our gas valve energize. Energize. We have flame proof. Should be good to go. Blower will delay on here in about 15 seconds. They're gonna be happy today because today was like 70 degrees and tomorrow's gonna be like 10 degrees. There's a fan. Man, this was good to go.